Christmas? That's the wrong way.
Well, I think we have to. Yeah.
This is the Rainforest Cafe. Me and Chrissy have ate here before. It's also lots of shopping in there too. That's what we're gonna eat here for lunch today. The alligator in there. It's really cool. So we're sitting here, getting ready to have some food. Really cool place. It's fish tanks. Yeah, it was very long. We've been standing here waiting. Yeah.
Thank you. I'll take all water. And then, can I get a drink?
Really cool in here. Look at these fish tanks. I like how they have like the smoke and the fog coming over the railing right here. This is actually a really cool restaurant in Disney Springs.
Oh.
That elephant moves every now and then.
And they're trying to have the baby. Like it's like its own thing.
Got a gorilla right there. He's staring at me. He's actually trying to intimidate me. He's moving. He's moving. We haven't tried the food yet.
I don't know.
It's got some good looking stuff on it. This is supposed to be a really good appetizer. This is what I'm going to get right here. A jerk chicken and shrimp pasta. Jerk chicken and shrimp pasta.
You should get like jambalaya like that.
Cheddar. Desserts.
No, I think it just makes it spicy. The only thing, hot and spicy Cajun sauce.
Meatloaf.
The only thing would be.
Happy birthday from all of us to you. We made you something special. We made it just for you.
Hey!
Super fun and just perfect day. So happy birthday from your place.
Happy birthday. Thank you guys. Happy birthday.
I like how they have like the smoke and the fog coming over the railing right here. This is actually a really cool restaurant in Disney Springs.
Oh.
That elephant moves every now and then.
And they're trying to have the baby. make it like its own thing.
Got a gorilla right there. He's staring at me. He's actually trying to intimidate me. See, he's moving. My wife. So how did you like your meal?
Break it down. Start with the fries. The coconut shrimp is amazing. And the rice are all everything I've ever wanted. The sauce is amazing. It's the yellow sauce that we already had on the appetizer dish.
Nice.
The salmon, not normally how I like my salmon seasoned. I normally like the lemon and thyme and stuff. They put good barbecue and kind of like charred it with mango salsa. Even though I don't like it, I still am going to be eating all of it. Overall, 9.5 out of 10.
Oh, that's good. What's yours, babe?
I would say mine's a 9.
A 9 out of a 9?
A 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? What do you like the most about your dish?
It's a Alfredo chicken, broccoli, and red peppers. And everything is cooked to perfection.
Nice.
No complaint.
I got the same pasta. I'm gonna rate it an 8 out of 10.
What do you like the most about it?
The Alfredo pesto sauce.
It's kind of creamy, huh?
Yeah, I like
it's nice. Yeah, that's what I thought too. Kaylee. Kaylee's tired.
She's stuffed.
She got the chicken sandwich, which she always gets as a chicken
I
sandwich.
know.
She's addicted to chicken
Look
sandwiches.
outside the box, girl.
How do you like the chicken sandwich, Kaylee?
Okay, so the sauce,
It's really good, and they have some hot honey sauce on it, which is also really good. And then I usually don't like coleslaw, but they have like pineapple and mango in this, so it's really good. Fries are really good. They're like,
How do you like the chicken sandwich? Oh,
Oh.
never seen a fry broke like that. So what do you rate your meal?
a 10.
A 10?
That was
So there's nothing wrong with it. All right.
I got a Caesar salad, and I think I have to give it like an 8 because the chicken is like seasoned preferably.
Could probably use a little bit more sauce,
Yeah, probably use a little bit more sauce.
which she was supposed to be bringing. But don't make that sound bad because the service has been great. Oh, she did bring it. Oh, okay, never mind. The service has actually been really awesome. She actually predicted.
It's a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, the service is a 10 out of 10 for sure. And then I got the same thing my wife got, but mine is almost gone compared to my wife's. So it was fabulous, really creamy. I would probably give it an 8.5 out of 10. The broccoli wasn't overcooked, which I really like. Sometimes the broccoli is super mushy. But overall, I would probably give the whole entire meal for all of us like an 8.5 or a 9 across the board because the food has great flavor.
Customer service
I mean,
a 10.
all we had to do was add salt and pepper.
The experience. Go ahead.
Just like everything, with all the fish, there's so many things to look at. Yeah. There's a rainstorm, so it'll come, it'll make noises, it'll mist on all of us. It'll start raining in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
That's a 10
I agree.
out of 10.
And yeah, the atmosphere is great with the food. I mean, all this stuff that's going on here. The gorillas move, the elephants move. We got fog coming in at us right now under the mushroom. It's really cool. Fish tanks. And then we got these 2 yellow fish that have been chasing each other playing tag in this fish tank, which is really cool. Just to watch them play tag. But yeah, definitely, if you guys come here, you got to check it out.
I would definitely
recommend
come here
it.
again.
And her salad actually looks really, really
Yeah,
good.
I would definitely
It's a
come here
chicken
again.
Caesar salad.